Hello guys, welcome back to the HTML video tutorial. So in this video tutorial, we are going to learn about the HTML forms. Okay. So basically, we will understand like why to use the forms and how to use the forms and what are the methods available in forms, and those things we will going to understand in this video. The video tutorial. Okay. So this is about we will see like basic introductions about the forms. Okay. So first of all, just a minute. So here I'm following that this is the my documentation, so we can also you follow these documentations. Okay, so first of all we will understand the introductions about the HTML form. So basically we are using form like for the sections or documentations purpose. Okay, so we like when we use the form, so which contains the control. Okay, like text field, password field, checkbox, radio buttons and submit buttons, etc. These all are contains the forms. Okay, so these all we can say controls means contains the all the fields values. Okay, so basically form is consist of these things. Okay, so like even HTML will use the some of the like for user for entering purpose, we are asking to user like enter the username, password. So these all are the fields. Okay, so by using this we can process the data, like whatever user is entering on data onto the form, so those we can process and store into the database. So for that reason we are using the this form. Okay, so basically we can call it this is the server processing. Okay, means whatever user has entering that data I'm processing. So next we have questions like why to use the HTML form. Okay, so for this the answer is like if you want to collect some data from the any visitor, like if let us say if you have the any website. Okay, so in that like any user is visiting to your website, so you will want to get to know like who all the user visited to our website. For that reasons we are creating a form. Like in that form like who all the user visited, no? So those data we will be collecting from through the this form. Okay, so next like we will see like how to use the forms in. Okay, like the basic syntax of form is we have to use the form is the here keyword, and here actions means you have to provide the URL, means which URL like who have to provide here. Okay, so here method is by either get or post methods, and next is the input controls. Example like radio buttons, text box, input box, and name field, email field, password field. These are the buttons. Okay, so we have to use it here. Okay, so in the here server URL, in the sense we have to provide the file name, that is URL. Okay, so we will see like these are the some of the tags available in HTML form. Okay, so here you can observe here form is there, it will defines the entire input. Okay, input by the user, and input tag, text box, text area, label, field set layer, these all are the available fields. Okay, so now we will have the some of the tags also here. A detail tags is there, keywords and tag is there, output tags is there, these are the tags. Okay, even we have the form elements, like form elements are, so basically we are using the form elements for the input for taking the input from the user. So we are using the form input form elements. Okay, so that provides the interactive control for the like whenever user submitting information on the server or a website, so that the whatever field is there, so that field will be means it will take the input data from the user side. Okay, so next we have the input element. Okay, so basically like input elements are like here you can observe this is the text name is equal to user, and these are the input form. So here observe here, now I will show this example like how to take input and all. Okay, so here I'm using the forms, and like inside the body you have to write. Okay, so this is the input basic like form means I'm taking asking user to enter the username. Okay, so whatever you are writing, write inside the body. See, this is a username. So whatever username you want, you can write. Okay. So this is the one type of input field, that is the name field. Okay. Like next we have the text field. Like if you user want to enter the text, so they can also enter the text. Okay. So this is the text field example. Okay. Now we'll see how to use the text fields. So now I will go to explain. See, this is the text fields, okay? So if user want any text field, so that they can enter the text fields. This is also text field only, okay? So based on our requirement, we can make use of these available fields. So next we have, after the name text field, so next we have the like text area. Means if user want to like any text, means like rows, columns, that kind of situations, like they want to insert the multi-line text in the form, so that time we are using the text area, okay? So basically text area we are using here, you can observe it, this is the text area, okay? So now I will show you how to use the text area. You can observe here. So this is the text area. Now I will refresh my browser and see, this is the text area. So whatever you want, you can write. This is the like a text area, means it will give the extra, means how much we are providing. See here we are providing the call span is equal to 20 minutes till 20 we can enter the data, okay? So next we have the labels, okay? So in labels means it will give the, like, see, this is the labels, okay? So we'll see one label for first name, means whatever you are writing in label, that will be displayed on the label, means it will display on the first. See here, this content will be displayed on the label top of the input box, okay? So this is the basic uses of uh, label, okay? Now I will refresh the browser and you can observe the output. See, this is the first name. This is the enter your address. This is the label only. Okay, it will displaying because so I have not used the BR tag and all. That's why it is displaying. Okay. So I hope you are understanding this. Whatever example I'm explaining you. So okay. See, inside the body tag we have to define the form. Okay. And now I will refresh the browser so that you can easily observe. See, this is the my label, okay? First name is label and second name is the label, okay? So next after label we have called like a password field, means if you are taking here password type is equal to password, so whatever you entering that will be not visible, okay? So if you are not taking password field as password, so it will be displaying, okay? If you are taking text, means it will display the text, okay? So if you are taking the type is equal to password, id is equal to password, means whatever you're entering that will be that will be display on the star mark, okay? See, now we can observe here. So now I will refresh the browsers. See, password field, say whatever I'm writing that will be displaying in the unknown not readable format, that is either it will be dot dot format or it may be star format, okay? So next we have, after that we have the password field. After the HTML for field controls are there. So like for email purpose we have the type it is email, so we can write the email only. So you, instead of that like text and all, we have to take the email only. So this is the email field. So it is the validations, means if the text symbol is not contained, so it will give the error message, okay? So next we have the radio buttons and all, okay? So like for male and these kind of gender, for the gender like either male or female, to select the user so it will be, if we are using the label, means that is the radio buttons, okay? So now we will see like how to use the this label. See, now I am using here label, okay? Now I will refresh the browsers and see, this is the gender, means it will giving two labels, so you can select based on your gender, okay? So this is the simple example of how to use the label in HTML, okay? So next we have after label, like we have the checkbox, means if I want multiple answers should be like it is a multiple question types, okay? If questions is there, so based on the question answer I can type the multiple answer. This is the simple checkbox, okay? So instead of here in type I have to select the checkbox instead of other like text and all, so I have to select the checkbox as an answer. Okay, so this is the example. Okay, checkbox. Okay, so next we have the like even we can take the enable like attribute. So here you can enter your password, these all things, buttons and all. Okay, this is the buttons. Okay, see next we have the HTML form example. Okay, so we will see so like the simple registrations form, how it will look by using all the elements and all we will see. Okay, this is including all the elements. So now we will see this example, like it contains the entire things. Okay, so now I will refresh the browser. See, it is the registration form. Okay, so this is the name and email field, password field. So this is the gender, means multiple. Yeah, I can select like a radio buttons. Okay, like based on our requirement. Okay, and this is the address field. Okay, you can. This is the button field. So I hope you understand this introduction video. So you will see in further videos more about details on this. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.